I've had this style in for about 4 weeks, and today it is finally time to take it down. I've been locked for 4.5 years now, and honestly, twisting my locks into a style after retwisting is how I keep my retwists lasting as long as they do. I get so many questions about my locks, which is why I started filming these videos. If you're new here, hi, my name is RAMONI, and like I said, I've been locked for 4.5 years, and I really enjoy showing you my journey. My lock journey is one of the main ways that I practice self-love and softness and just romanticizing in my everyday life. My locks make me feel confident. They make me feel beautiful. They truly feel like an extension of my soul. People always ask me about the pros and cons of having locks, but the truth is, I don't really have any cons. I love my hair and I love myself. As Black women, we've been so conditioned to pick ourselves apart or to feel like our natural self needs some fixing or some enhancing. But my locks taught me how to stop running from myself. I've always loved myself, but my lock journey truly allowed me to take it to another level. My locks taught me to love my hair texture and my roots and my natural curl pattern, everything just the way that it is. Locking my hair was truly one of the best decisions that I've ever made for myself. There is something so powerful about learning to love the way that your hair grows naturally out of your scalp, especially as a Black woman and especially in this world that we live in today. My locks have taught me patience and commitment. Like I said at the beginning of this video, when I twist my hair into these styles, it helps me keep my retwist for longer. And I also teach yoga on YouTube, and it's just a lot easier for me to manage everything when my hair is just staying in one place as I'm doing yoga. But it's never lost on me how beautiful my hair looks when it's down, when it's not styled, when there's no retwist, when the roots aren't pulled to perfection. It's not lost on me just how gorgeous my hair is, how gorgeous Black hair is, Black women's hair. And I like that I get to feel both. I get to feel both neat by some people's standards and effortless in other people's standards. Just effortless, waking up, no structure, just being free when it comes to my hair and letting my hair do what it wants to do. And that is what having locks has done for me. They've become an extension of how I see myself. Beautiful, whole, radiant, grounded. A lot of people ask me if they should lock their hair, and I hope that this video was the answer. My answer to if you should get locks is always yes. You have to be ready to confront some things like societal standards and your self-esteem and your own feelings about life and everything else. But if you are ready to confront those things, then locks will probably be for you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, I have an entire lock playlist linked down below in the description box. I've been recording my lock journey since day 5, so you have 4 years worth of my journey to binge watch essentially. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.